All right, Mikey, we out on the road right now. Hurricane relief season, man. A lot of people went through the storm. People got damage to the home, flooding, roof damage. Tell them how it's been right now with the roofing and what's most important they should know about if they need to get their roof done right now.
So the most important thing is going to be, one, you're going to want to, have your roof inspected, make sure you don't have any impact damage to where you're getting leaks in your home. You're going to want to get a tarp, right? Get emergency tarps. Best thing about our company is we're not going to charge you for a tarp, obviously, if you do a roof with us. So if you buy a roof from us, we're going to emergency tarp you the next day. That's the main concern, getting you covered, because you still have to get permits. You have to have material delivered. So if anyone's telling you they can get your roof done in 2 days, they're not pulling permits. They're not doing it the right way, right? So you got to be safe with contractors. That's the first thing. But that's the main thing. I'd probably say, make sure you got to get your roof inspected. Make sure you don't have any leaks. If you do, call someone immediately. That way you can get an emergency tarp to prevent further damage, because you don't want to have to fix your drywall and, your baseboards or your flooring, and, all that adds up. So we want to save money as much as we can during a time like this.
All right. Y'all heard it right there. So some people are like on the fence about what company they should go with. They getting 2 and 3 permits. I mean 2 and 3 estimates and quotes. I understand the importance of doing your due diligence and checking out companies. What should they look for when picking a company?
During this time, you just want to make sure, number one, they're local, right? So for like the Tampa Bay affected area and Clearwater, you want to make sure that they're either from Tampa or Clearwater area, within a 50-mile radius, somebody that's close to you, that if you ever want to stop by their office, you have that availability to do so. Like us, we actually have a warehouse. A lot of companies don't have warehouses. They operate out of a complex somewhere, right? So you want to do your research, make sure the roofing company has their own type of setup, make sure they have, fleets of vehicles. Like with us, we do more than roofing. So we do AC, we do roofing, we do generators, and those are the biggest things that are needed right now in this time is your ACs, making sure those are getting fixed for those who are flooded, and getting your roof repaired and or replaced if you're having any type of major damage and shingles ripped off. But also, licenses, make sure you ask for their license, insurance information. Every licensed contractor should be able to do that, right? Whether you show me on your phone, I don't care. Show me on your phone, piece of paper, something with your name of your company and your active insurance policy. That's the main thing. That's going to be that's going to be some of the main pointers I think you need to do. But you can get 3 estimates. I'm a same day deal kind of a guy. So my job is to give you the best deal that same day, right? So maybe not always getting 3 estimates is a good thing, but I recommend it. Get yourself 3 estimates, but just understand that as time is continuing to go on, prices are going to raise. So the price of shingles are going to go up. The price of metal is going to go up, not because we want it to, but because the industry is going to make it do it. And, and it's unfortunate, but that's the reality we live in, So make sure that you can get the best deal as quickly as possible in some cases before prices raise. Like today is Saturday. It's the 12th? Yep, Saturday the 12th. Yesterday I did 6 deals. I've done 2 today already, headed to another one. So there you go. That's 9 people already within a day that are wanting to get their roofs done. So they're already in line. So these things will start to add up. You want to make sure that you do get scheduled as quickly as possible so you don't get caught in the chaos of having to get your roof done. We're still in hurricane season, right? So we might have more storms coming by the end of November. So make sure you get yourself secure before the next one comes up, unfortunately.
Hey, so there you have it. So if you need to get more information on roofing, have more information coming soon, but make sure that you're getting your home secured and you're finding a good company to work with and that you feel secure with. This company here, what's your company?
Ridgemax Roofing.
Ridgemax Roofing. What kind of payment program you offer for people who may not have cash to pay for these services?
So that's a really good question, because a lot of people may not have the upfront money right now. I know everyone, including myself, we all live, almost paycheck to paycheck. We have to work for our money. We got to pay our bills. Best thing about us is we offer 0 down financing. So if you're over 650 or higher, depending on your credit score, depends. Sometimes you can get, if you're in the 620 range, 630. It depends. We could probably still get you approved. It's a little harder. Depends on, as long as you pay your bills and stuff. Maybe you have a lower score for whatever reasons, but as long as you have made your on-time payments with other bills and things, it's likely you can get approved with GoodLeap. But for those that are over like 700 and over 650, we can get really good APR rates right now. As of now, we have APR rates as low as 4.99, some 3.99. I have some loans right now that are 18 months, no interest, 18 months, no payment as well. So that allows you to be able to get your roof done, 18 months, no payment, no interest. You get it paid off in full, but it does need to be paid in full, so there's very specific things people have to understand when you're signing up with a contract and you're taking a loan out. Make sure, you understand your conditions and your terms and what's going on and when the monthly payments start. With us, a great thing about us, our monthly payments won't start until 60 days after installation.
Listen to what they say. You got to make sure you read your paperwork. Read your paperwork when it comes to the payments. They got option plans. What are you doing about, go ahead and finish that up, but tell them what you're doing about the insurance situation now with all the hurricane stuff going through.
So with the insurance, we can work to get your roof done through your insurance. You do have to call your insurance. You do have to make a claim. You do have to be careful in who you deal with this type of paperwork. There are a lot of companies that will try to price gouge you when they do insurance work. That is why Florida has a problem with insurance already, is because they get roofers price gouged and they want to raise the price up and beyond the means of what needs to get done because they're going to be going to get the money from your insurance company. So make sure you still get the same fair price as if they weren't going through your insurance company, right? You want that same price. Either way, you finance it cash or I'm going through my insurance. I want a good price. I want a fair price. But just realize, get a good roof, get good material. A good roof isn't always a cheap roof. So you pay for what you get. If I tell you a roof is $13,000, but with better underlayment, it's $17,000 and it's going to protect your plywood. I wouldn't want you to be upset when it rains, you get a bad hurricane and then you get leaks in your home. The peel and stick protects your home. It'll stop you from getting leaks. It's the best underlayment you can get. So cheap is not always best. It's not.
There you have it. So you got options. So now if you need somebody to come out and check your roof out, you need to get a roof repair, get a new roof, go ahead, information be below, and then we'll go from there. So y'all be safe out there.